Hi friends, this arithmetic expression looks quite interesting. We start by writing BODMAS at a little corner. As we can see, there's no bracket, no exponent value. Yes, there's division and also multiplication, which have equal priority. So between these two, solve the one that comes first. Now you can go for division. Division is nothing but multiplication by the inverse. Again, we have a dilemma. Should we go for subtraction or addition? Because here also, addition subtraction equal priority. To be on safe side, solve the one that comes first.